Alright, I meant to make this video yesterday, but sorry about that. This is how to defeat tornadoes. How to defeat tornadoes. So, that's the question. The answer is really quite simple. It's change the geography. So, for example, tornadoes love flat ground. Okay? Tornadoes do not love variations, hills, ditches, mountains. So areas like Oklahoma and Valonia, Arkansas are particularly vulnerable because they are flat. Okay? Alright. So change the geography by building mounds and valleys in the areas that are particularly vulnerable. Let's save some lives. My name is Robert Addison, and this is how to defeat tornadoes. We can get the Army Corps of Engineers that work on levees and dams and stuff like that, especially levees. That'd be useful. All we need to do in these areas that are flat is create little mounds and little ditches around so that we can disrupt in these areas that are highly vulnerable the ability for tornadoes to form into such great storms like F4s and F5s and stuff. If we can't prevent them completely, maybe we can at least reduce their strength by giving them less of a launch pad to roam. If you like this idea and you would like to solve more secrets of the world, use this brain, contact me, Arkansas Robadd, ROBADD, Arkansas right in front of it, at gmail.com. Support projects that I do, and I'm an agent of change. I can see things other people can't, and I can fix things that other people can't. I was born to change the world. I've always known this. This is only a tiny sliver of what this thing can do. This is how to defeat tornadoes. Thank you.